just make our way over here. Dang, I didn't realize there'd be so many people. Yeah, good. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Chris again, making another video showing you guys some behind the scenes of this golden hour sunset photo shoot right here in Austin, Texas. Guys, for this shoot, I'm gonna be using the Canon R5. I'll be shooting with the RF 28-70 and the 70-200, so you'll get to see footage from both of those. I'll also be using off-camera flash. I'll be using the Godox 8400 Pro and a 22-inch beauty dish. This is actually my second time using this beauty dish, but it is fantastic. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and a thumbs up if you enjoy it. That way YouTube knows to bring you more content like this. You obviously like it. Anyway, guys, enjoy. Let me know what you think.
Perfect. That's great. Do that again, that head flip again, that was great. Good. Oh, that's awesome.
Okay, I'm sweating. I love this. We may do some I was gonna say we could like sit down here. So one of the best things about having an experienced model when you're shooting is you don't necessarily have to give as much direction, because a lot of times what you'll see is they'll be able to relatively consistently move through different poses, and so if you want to do very small modifications or change something, it's relatively easy to communicate those kinds of things. And so I really loved this angle, the way the light was hitting her from behind. It's great.
Yeah, that's perfect. Good. I love that. Yeah, lean into that, just like you were doing. Yes, perfect. Good. That's great. Hold that. Good. Bring that other hand up to your face too, both hands. There it is, hold that. There you go. Perfect. I love this, this is great.
For this next look, we decided to move a little bit closer to the waterfall, so move the light here, and I decided to change out from the 70-200 to my 28-70 and see if we can get some good photos here. And so this is when I really started to realize what was going on with my flash unit. It wasn't flashing every time, and I had a setting in my Godox trigger that was having it flash at full power, and so it was having to recharge, and I could not figure it out for the life of me. Luckily we still got some good shots. This later in the video when we're doing our second look that I actually comment on the fact that I realized, oh, this is why my flash was working this way, and it's actually why I ended up dying prematurely, but you'll see that here in just a little bit.
That's good. Can you lean back a little bit more? Lean back just a little bit more. Like that. Hold that, that's great. Good. Hold that, that's good. Great.
All right, so we decided to go ahead and change outfits here. We're gonna change location, so I whipped out my changing tent, my handy dandy changing tent, and we're gonna put her into this blue dress with some flowiness to it that kind of goes with the whole vibe of the location, and see if we can get some pretty cool photos here, some motion shots, some out on the water. So yeah, stay tuned.
Do that again. One more time. Actually, I'm gonna change lenses. One more time. Let's see. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Oh my God. One more time. This time look at me. That's fantastic. Good. One more time.
One thing to notice here is that while we had a really good angle of the water here, the park was a little more crowded than we initially anticipated. So definitely had to shoot straight into them to see if I could get the shot and potentially try to clean them up afterwards, because the angle that I found I think was just fantastic. But I'll give you guys a little glimpse of what those photos end up looking like. All right, so we decided it's time to go ahead and get in the water, and hopefully we'd be able to get some good shots. So we started migrating off, and as soon as we did, those people in the water were actually kind enough to just, I guess they were done swimming potentially because the sun had gone down. I don't know, but yeah, so we had it all to ourselves. So interestingly enough, my flash unit was actually giving me trouble because of course, user error. And I'm just realizing now what the issue was, and I was able to fix it. And so there were some photos taken from in between to now that I didn't like as much because, of course, your settings have to change quite a bit for natural light, and I much rather prefer the dramatic look of what flash kind of has to offer. So yeah, I'll show you guys what these photos look like in just a sec.
Good. Perfect. That's fantastic. So just like that. Oh, no, that's great.
I think that this angle, this look is easily my favorite look. It's got quite a bit. It's got that waterfall going straight down the middle of it, and yeah, I think we got really lucky with having some of those people leave and just kind of giving us the freedom to shoot however we wanted to shoot right here. But this easily is my favorite set. So for our last look, we decided to I decided to switch to the RF 28 to 70 to get some more wider shots and some a little closer too. But my flash unit died because of some user error from earlier. But yeah, this is the last look. I thought I'd get some cool shots. Some of them are going to be natural light, so enjoy.
Good. Can I take one this way? Good. I'll see if I can make sense of this. Lay back again. Lay back one more time. Turn your face up towards the sky. Yep. And give me your eyes this way. Right there. Keep both hands up. I'm real close in. Yep. Okay.
That's it for this one, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the videos, the photos. Again, if you like content like this, go ahead and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Also, follow Yuri. She's a fantastic model. I'll link her Instagram down below. Other than that, I will see you all in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.